I'm David.
And we're interested in becoming your future academic chair because we believe you do have the skill set, we want to provide the new perspective, and we also want to give all our best to academics. Our previous experiences in Comfy has inspired us to be passionate about academics, and we are passionate about academic, our studies and everything, and we want to provide that to you guys. My previous volunteer experiences, and also I'm in other organizations and I hold positions, and I believe that those organizational skills will help me improve academics and provide you the best.
Coming from my experience with Compi, I know how impactful it could be on someone's college life, and it was really impactful on me, so I want to help provide that for the future outings. And just picking up, I know how impactful you can be on an outing, so I also want to bring that to the table. I feel like that comes with experience. Me and Allyson have been talking to Shao for a whole semester now, so we feel like we have the relationship with Shao, so we can get the help and we can reach out wherever needed. We understand that Compi is a big part of it, and we are bringing new ideas to make it more, I feel, equal for people who aren't as social as some of us to pick up some outings and get their name out there, because I know a lot of times people who are more social, so we have some ideas for that. We also are bringing a little more structure to the way, so we have a little less negative feedback about pairings and stuff like that. We're very structured about it. And we also want to put an emphasis on academics, because we understand that that's the first part of this whole thing is academics, and we feel like it's kind of lost its way, and the academic studies aren't as strong as they used to be, so we have some ideas. We're reaching out to certain people to help strengthen that part of the position, and we hope that we can be here as this future academic champion. That's it.
So there is a lack of focus on academic interests because there is so much emphasis on the ambience itself. Being the title of academic, it's supposed to be focused on academic, and Comfy is just a part of it. So how can you increase the needs to provide needs for the academic interests, like people who are more interested in the academic aspect of it?
We've been talking about ideas, and we've been trying to reach out to other clubs, and we realized that fraternities do this already, where they have study groups during the day instead of making it so late at night, because by that time everybody's home, nobody wants to study no more. So we're trying to make it during the day, so we have we'll rent out a room in the library, and you can come by, you can study with us. Also, we've been asking I've been asking a couple of upperclassmen already if they could come in and put some hours towards that, so the underclassmen have a reason to go, because we all are the same major. So it would be a real help for the upperclassmen come through and help out the underclassmen by tutoring them and stuff like that. We're also going to bring some type of incentive to it with Compi as well. We have a pairing thing where we want to emphasize that you should bring your audience in, so they're allowed to socialize with you in academic setting.
Going off what Jojo said, creating incentives, for people to go to our study hours, and also telling people academics is something you should put first before anything else, because we all are here to get our degree and everything, and we want to make sure that everyone is doing well in their classes, and make sure that everyone can participate in Comfy and be successfully.
Thank you.
Since the majority of the new members are first years, and you guys will be interacting with them a lot, how do you guys plan on setting a good example as role models?
Okay, so setting a good example as role models, we would probably promote our study hours, promote academia a lot, and then promote a lot of the upperclassmen who are in research, promote a lot of people who are doing other organizations, and promote people who are doing well in academics and everything, and promoting dean's lists and everything.
Yeah, to add on, I've taken a lot from watching you and Joanna interact with these racers. We see how social and inviting you are, and we kind of bring that aspect with us as well. We want to be very inviting and social to these racers, because they do make up a majority of us right now. So we understand that they're the future, and that's what we should put some emphasis on, so we get them returning and get them involved, so we can build up the club.
The ugly truth is that we've seen some of our members, have dropped off or been academically, dismissed. How would you prevent that from happening? Because we've seen it multiple times, even to the point where CAB members have have been like replaced due to it?
For CAB members, we could talk to us. We could talk. I've never given that any thought, but coming off speaking right off the bat, we could probably try to ask for. We could ask, see if we could get a hold of everybody's GPA and see how everybody's doing in classes, and keep monthly updates with our students. And if they seem to be struggling, we could send out an email saying, please come study with you at the time. We're trying to help you out. Just provide an environment for them to feel comfortable coming and getting help. Because I feel like for the majority of us, we are pretty much just all the same majors, whether it's business or somewhere in biology and stuff like that. So we do have experience. So I feel like it's very much, we're very much willing to help each other. It's just that we have to be aware of who's needing the help.
Yeah, going back to what Joe just said, reaching out to people, making sure that, if they are going to be dismissed, reaching out to them, providing them resources, to improve their academics. Also, telling them various ways they can not be dismissed from the school and everything.
Thank you.
That's it.
How do we trust that you won't be biased with pairings? Say, when I was doing pairings in grade year, a lot of people came up to us and they're like, if you don't give me this person, I'm gonna do this. Right? You know what I mean? How do we trust you that you won't be biased and that you guys will keep it one kind of?
We actually talked about this already, and we are, from the get-go, are going to establish that this is a mentorship program, not a meet your best program. We appreciate that you want to be super close to your audience, but you have to understand that they're joining this to get a good mentor and get a better college experience. So we're putting this big pressure. We're going to send out emails reminding the Cuyas and Antes that this is a membership. If you didn't get your first pick, it's probably that they didn't pick you first, so you shouldn't take any offense to that. That's just how it worked out. And you should still look out. We're still going to give each other who they want for the most part. So we still have some type of incentive to treat them right and stuff like that, because that's the one biggest fear. But for the most part, we're just going to put a lot of emphasis that this is a mentorship program, and that it shouldn't be just because you don't get who you want, you should just turn away against your own.
And the second question is, with all the events that Academic Chairs gives for the entire academic year, do you guys have any new ideas that you guys want to bring in terms of new events or changing up events that you guys didn't like from previous events that you guys attended, or?
I think one of the things that we want to improve is creating more academic socials and stuff like that. Also improving copy games, improving all the little copy mixers and everything, so everyone can have a big problem is people feel they won't connect with their Kuya Ate as well, and so making mixers and more socials so people can interact more before copy is a big part of that too.
Okay. You and the grades with
Okay, so what are your visions for P-Grad? Because as UC% grows, so does PAA hopefully. So that means graduates each year. What are your plans for the next one?
We are currently having experience at P-Grad for ourselves. Luckily this year we will attend with Michelle. I do have a couple ideas to make it a little more enjoyable, I guess. I want to add a lot more videos and stuff of the seniors and really show off what they're about away, not just only at the part, but in their whole senior career or college career, honestly. But we working with Michelle right now, so I know Michelle will be a big help for us next year about that and showing us the ropes and stuff. So we appreciate that a lot.